Hi everyone, welcome back to ELEATION C Training Program. Today, we are diving into one of the core foundations of C programming: variables and data types. Whether you are a beginner just getting started, or someone brushing up on their skills to land a job or internship, this video is for you. Let's make C programming simple, understandable, and fun. Variables in C are like containers that store information. Think of them like labeled boxes where you can put your data and retrieve it whenever needed. For example, if you need to store a number like your age, a variable will hold that value for you. Now that we know about variables, let's talk about data types. Data types define what kind of data a variable can hold. For example, int, for integers like 5 or 100, char, for characters like a, and float, for decimal numbers like 3.14. It's important to use the right data type because it helps the computer know how much memory to reserve. Variables and data types are the backbone of every C program. They allow your program to store and manipulate data effectively. Without variables, we wouldn't be able to perform tasks like adding numbers, displaying names, or even controlling how the program runs. Let's take a real-world example. Imagine creating a program to calculate the average marks of students. You'd use an int variable to store each student's marks, and a float variable to calculate the average. This shows how essential variables and data types are in solving everyday problems. Understanding variables and data types is just the beginning. If you're ready to take your C programming skills to the next level, join ELEATION C Training Program today. For a limited time, you can register for just ₹1,000. This includes access to real-world projects, expert guidance, and even internship opportunities. Scan the QR code on your screen to register now. Remember, the course fee is ₹2,499, but if you register now, you'll get an incredible discount of ₹1,499. Pay only ₹1,000 to access the full program. This is your chance to start your journey in C programming and land that job or internship you've been aiming for. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you're serious about mastering C programming, make sure to join ELEATION C Training Program. We can't wait to see you succeed.